Ladies and gentlemen, the amateur sommelier. Wine number 6 is going to be the Vintini Fingerprint collection from Chateau Elan. Dago and Tannic grapes. Remarkably curious. Also another dark purple core with a purple rim. And sensing a theme with these fingerprint collections. Very mysterious theme. I can't imagine what it is. No, I know. Did I just smell dog food or am I insane? Guys, I think I've had too much wine. That's terrifying. I still have to drive to my hotel again. It really does remind me of dog food. That's really weird. I have no idea why. Yeah, I'm getting dog food. Dry dog food. This makes me very nervous. Spice and tobacco. Also a little bit of dry dog food. I have no idea why. But the palate is much more enjoyable than the nose. I have no idea how to feel about that. And it's very, very weird. Arguably one of the weirdest wines I've had. That also tastes delicious. Because usually wines like that are not very delicious. And here I am. I have no idea. Kind of weird. But yeah. That's wine number 6. And next video is going to be wine number 7. Which will be uploaded like the next day. 2-ish. It's not going to work at that upload schedule. That's actually going to be very interesting. I need to figure that one out. Be right back, everybody.